Sir, this discussion on Finance Bill 2016 is being held in Parliament while we should keep the fact in mind. The House is discussing this finance bill in isolation from federal principles. Jammu and Kashmir has lost its federal position. It has lost its physical autonomy. It has lost its financial dignity. हमने जब इस मुल्क के साथ इल्हाक किया, हमें प्रॉमिस किया गया था फेडरल एग्जिस्टेंस. We were a dignified federal unit of this federation, of this union. हर स्टेट की तरह हमें autonomy थी अपने finances को manage करने की. मगर 2019 से लेके अभी तक we have suffered, we have endured the humiliation, the loss of dignity, the loss of financial autonomy. We have seen financial disruptions, political disruptions, on the account of which the state of Jammu and Kashmir has lost a great deal. In 2019, abrogation of Article 370, which could not be justified, was somehow justified by saying that this will bring integration to the people of Jammu and Kashmir. It will bring investment, it will bring development, it will bring prosperity. We are in 2026 now, and we are discussing Finance Bill 2026, and there is nothing reflective of that, what could be claimed as prosperity for the people of Jammu and Kashmir, investment, development. While as the fact is the other way around, we have lost the opportunities, we have lost the financial dignity, financial autonomy with which we could create a state which was highly employed, which was fairly prosperous. हमारे sectors अच्छे से काम करते थे, private sectors, horticulture, tourism, handicrafts. They were working very well. We were generating employment. Jammu and Kashmir was one of the least unemployed states in Jammu and Kashmir. Therefore, the phrases which were tried, with which the party tried to mislead the nation that abrogation of Article 370 will bring prosperity, will bring investment. There's nothing reflective of that in Finance Bill 2026. The fact is that the Article 370 was removed not for the integration, not for the investment, not for the prosperity. It was removed for centralization. Centralization of the governance, centralization of the policy making, centralization of the bureaucracy, and centralization of the will of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. And that was centralized in Delhi, against the spirit of democracy, against the spirit of the accession with which the people of Jammu and Kashmir acceded to the Union of India, against the spirit of democracy for which the people of Jammu and Kashmir laid their lives, sacrificed their lives. We were centralized, our powers were centralized, our dignity was snatched from us. Our right to decide for ourselves, both financially and politically, was taken away from us. Therefore, it is incomplete in the spirit of federalism and spirit of democracy, until and unless the Jammu and Kashmir gets back its autonomy, its financial autonomy, its financial and political dignity, its financial dignity, and is restored. I'm talking on the finance bill. Please be silent and please be patient. Please be patient. I'm speaking on the finance bill. I'm making the arguments purely on finance bill. So have patience and have some wisdom to listen. So therefore we demand that the dignity is restored, the autonomy is restored, the status of Jammu and Kashmir which it enjoyed with the guarantees of the Constitution of India before 2019 is restored fully. And therefore, we may again see a prosperous Jammu and Kashmir which is driven by the wishes and will of the people of Jammu and Kashmir and their participation. Today they have minimal participation. The decisions are taken at the central level, the bureaucratic level. मैं कुछ डिमांड्स आपके सामने आपके जरिए गवर्नमेंट के सामने पेश करना चाहता हूँ. ऑनरेबल चेयरपर्सन 2 मिनट लगेंगे बस, मैं डिस्ट्रप्शन के बगैर 2 मिनट आपसे चाहता हूँ. 2019 से पहले से ही जम्मू कश्मीर साल से डैमेज से गुजर रहा है. पहले हमने फ्लड देखा 2014 में, उससे उबर ही रहे थे. फिर इन्होंने 2019 में 370 की इलीगल एब्रोगेशन की और उसके बाद लॉकडाउन लगाया. कोरोना से पहले हमने लॉकडाउन से सफ़र किया. 1 साल तक जम्मू कश्मीर को इन्होंने ताले में बंद कर दिया. कोई बिजनेस नहीं, कोई काम नहीं, कोई पढ़ाई नहीं, कोई ज़िंदगी नहीं. 2019 में एब्रोगेशन के बाद 1 साल तक हमें बंद किया गया. उसके बाद कोरोना आया, सालों तक फिर से वही लॉकडाउन, एक नेचुरल जो ज़रूरत पड़ी पूरे मुल्क में. पूरे मुल्क के साथ साथ हमने भी सफ़र किया. बिजनेस सफ़र हुआ, गवर्नेंस सफ़र हुई, फाइनेंस सफ़र हुआ. तब से फिर लेके अभी तक हम लड़ रहे, हालात के साथ लड़ रहे, कोशिश कर रहे, मगर उबर नहीं पा रहे. हम चाहते हैं कि 2019 के उन हालात, 2 मिनट सर बस कंप्लीट करूंगा, 2019 के उन हालात को कंपनसेट किया जाए. एक स्पेशल पैकेज जम्मू एंड कश्मीर के लिए अनाउंस किया जाए. फाइनेंशियल मल्टीपल ईयर पैकेज जम्मू कश्मीर के लिए अनाउंस किया जाए, जिससे वो उबर सके, अपने टांगों पे खड़ा हो सके. Physical autonomy, as I said, should be restored back to the people of Jammu and Kashmir. They should be able to decide for themselves. ये bureaucratic consents हमें दिल्ली से लेना पड़े हर साल, हमें इस स्टेटस तक गिराया गया है. It's against the democracy. The people of Jammu and Kashmir should not be forced to get the bureaucratic approvals from Delhi for their aspirations and for their own priorities. We believe Jammu and Kashmir was one of the, and that is the statistics, वो सबसे कम unemployed state था. आज mostly unemployed states में से गिना जाता है. We demand a package, incentives for employment generation in Jammu and Kashmir, both in private and government sector. Industries के लिए हम horticulture के लिए बस सिर्फ 2 points में complete कर रहा हूँ. Horticulture के लिए, tourism के लिए subsidies के साथ साथ incentives के साथ साथ हम चाहते हैं कि एक पैकेज अनाउंस किया जाए जिससे वो इन नुकसानात से उबर सके. लास्टली 2-4 पॉइंट से बस मैं एक ही पॉइंट पे बात करूंगा क्योंकि आप टाइम नहीं दे रहे. सर, हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के जरिए जम्मू कश्मीर जनरेट करती है पावर और इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. वी लाइट अप द डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ इंडिया, मगर हमारा रेवेन्यू हमसे खाया जाता है. हमें शेयर फेयर नहीं मिलता. इसको कोऑपरेटिव जनरेशन नहीं कहा जाता है, इसको एक्सट्रैक्शन कहा जाता है. हमारे से एक्सट्रैक्ट किया जाता है.